Welcome back to Product Critique, where we uncover the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of electric pressure cookers with the Instant Pot Pro. If you're in the market for the ultimate kitchen multitasker, look no further. The Instant Pot Pro is more than just a pressure cooker. It's a 10-in-1 powerhouse that simplifies cooking and elevates your culinary game. Let's start by highlighting its incredible versatility. With 10 functions including pressure cooking, slow cooking, sautéing, steaming, and even yogurt making, the Instant Pot Pro truly does it all. Whether you're whipping up a quick weeknight meal or indulging in a weekend cooking project, this appliance has you covered. Safety is paramount in any kitchen, and the Instant Pot Pro doesn't disappoint. With features like overheat protection and a safe locking lid, you can cook with peace of mind. But what sets the Instant Pot Pro apart are its programmable settings. With 5 customizable programs and 28 preset options, you can achieve perfect results every time, no matter the recipe. Plus, with 20% higher power and a premium cookware-grade inner pot, the Instant Pot Pro delivers unparalleled cooking performance. Say goodbye to uneven heating and hello to perfectly cooked meals, every time. In summary, the Instant Pot Pro is not just a kitchen appliance, it's a game changer. Whether you're a busy parent, a home chef, or someone who simply loves good food, this electric pressure cooker will revolutionize the way you cook. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the Instant Pot Pro. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy cooking!